Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Do you have streaky glass that is hard to see out of? Well, today in this video, I'll be going over 4 different methods how you could achieve a scratch-free and streak-free glass. Let's get started. As you guys can see, Chemical Guys offers 4 different types of glass cleaners, from HydroView, streak-free glass cleaner, signature series glass cleaner, and glass only. And today I'll be going over each and every one of them so you could choose the perfect glass cleaner for you. We're gonna start off right away with glass only. So glass only is an aerosol glass cleaner that's going to foam up on the surface of the glass. So how do you actually use it? Before anything, you want to get the can and you want to shake it. Like this, you get the proper mixture, and whenever you start foaming away on your glass, it's going to pick up all the dirt, grime, and debris. So glass only is formulated for amazing streak-free glass, but you want to use glass only in offices, garages, at home, and even the exterior ride. Glass only, unfortunately, is not tint safe, but you can still tackle extremely dirty glass with it. As soon as you spray it onto glass, the foaming-like action is going to encapsulate all the dirt, grime, and debris, uplift it from the surface, and like this, you achieve a scratch-free and streak-free glass. Remember, like I said, glass only can also be used in multiple different types of areas. Your garages, your offices, around the house, and even the exterior ride. But if you have something that has tints, that's when you're going to be going to signature series glass cleaner or streak-free glass cleaner. And signature series glass cleaner is formulated to tackle heavy dirt and grime and debris. But signature series glass cleaner is tint safe. So if you have tints on the inside of your ride or tints anywhere else, you can tackle that tint and still get a streak-free shine. So signature series glass cleaner, like I told you guys, is formulated for heavy duty glass cleaning. So say for example, you like going off-roading, truck mudding, or your glass gets super dirty, that's when you'll pick up signature series glass cleaner. Signature series glass cleaner also has no type of ammonia and it has an amazing scent to it. So I let you leave your glass smelling great, streak-free, and your vision's already there. Now we're moving on to our next glass cleaner, which is going to be streak-free glass cleaner. Streak-free glass cleaner is an amazing cleaner that can be used both on tinted windows and non-tinted windows to achieve a streak-free glass clean. But streak-free glass cleaner is going to be intended for a very light dirt and grime. So say you have a daily driven car that does not get so much dirt or grime, or a garage kept car that's very well maintained, that's when you'll be using streak-free glass cleaner. So streak-free glass cleaner is going to pick up any light dirt or grime that is sitting on your glass. So if you have a car that is garage kept or a daily driven car that gets its glass cleaned very frequently, that's when I recommend using streak-free glass clean. Streak-free glass clean can be used around the office, in your garage, at home, and even inside and outside your exterior ride. So like this, you achieve a streak-free view and your glass is always looking streak-free. So now, we always get this question on our social media, on our comments, and I'm pretty sure in this video, what is the difference between signature series glass cleaner and streak-free? And right now, I'll answer it for you. So streak-free window cleaner is formulated with unique anti-static properties that reduces static clean after cleaning windows. Meaning once your window is clean, it won't attract as much dust, while signature series glass cleaner is much more heavy duty oriented that can easily remove thickest dirt and stickiest grease. Rest assured that no matter if you go off-roading, road tripping, or mud trucking, signature series glass cleaner will cut through the tough dirt and grime to get your windows clear once again. So now that you know the difference between the signature series glass cleaner and streak-free glass cleaner, how do you get your glass protected? And it's very simple. You can go ahead and use our HydroView. HydroView is a ceramic glass cleaner and protectant all in one. And by that, I mean it's going to protect and clean your glass. But what I recommend you always do is start off with a glass cleaner such as streak-free, signature series glass cleaner, or even glass only. Clean your glass and then top it off with HydroView. HydroView is going to add an extremely intense water barrier that's going to repel any dirt, grime, debris. And like that, your glass is clean, protected, and your view is clear as glass. So how often should you apply HydroView onto your glass? So HydroView can be applied as frequent as you want. It's going to protect your glass for up to 12 months, but it's so simple to apply. Just simply spray it onto the surface, wipe it off, and whenever you use these glass cleaners, I always recommend using the 2-towel method. What is the 2-towel method? You'll start off with 1 towel, you'll spray directly onto the surface, you'll wipe with 1 towel, remove all the dirt, grime, and debris, and then get a secondary towel just to buff off the residue. So like this, you get a streak-free glass, and like this, you could achieve any type of streak-free glass anywhere, anytime. And a quick pro tip, whenever you're cleaning your glass, make sure the surface of the glass is cool to the touch. So if you're parked in the parking lot, in your garage, or in your driveway, you clean glass anytime, anywhere using these products. But just make sure your glass is cool to the touch. Touch your hand with the back of your hand, touch on your glass. If it's a little bit too hot, I recommend you letting your glass sit much longer. So like this, whenever you spray the glass cleaner, it actually sits on it and encapsulates all dirt and grime. So guys, if you guys like this video today, don't forget to give us a huge thumbs up. If you have any more glass questions, drop them in the comments down below. If you want to pick up any of these products today in this video, you can hop onto the website right now, chemicalguys.com, or if you want to stop by your local detail garage, I recommend you do so. It is a detailer's paradise, and we have over 85 detail garage locations in the US, the UK, and even Canada. As always, guys, I'm Henry. Thank you for sharing your passion for shine with Chemical Guys, and we'll see you guys next time right here at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage.